Hey guys, welcome back to my house, and today you are going to be cooking, right? Cooking with Crazy Keeks and my mustache bro. And today we are going to be making chicken wings. I can't remember really. So right now we're going to be putting some bullseye barbecue sauce into the chicken wings because who wouldn't want to put it in? Because bullseye is awesome. That almost went up. This just smells so good.
No, just pour it in.
Okay.
No, yeah. And then mix it with the spoon.
I just like this.
Move the...
Oh, this is so weird. Oh! It's like making chicken nuggets. I think it's some weird soup thing. So we got all the chicken wings coated with bullseye barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna be putting oil thingamajigger into this. So we pour it in, right? Skirt. It looks like pea.
Alright, that should be good.
It smells weird. So now I got oil on. Now I'm gonna pour this in. I don't know how we're gonna put it, but
Just dump it in.
I'm struggling so much.
Alright.
Is it all done? That's a lot of what the heck you call that stuff? Let's put it on like that. So now it's time to go in the oven. It's ready to now go in the oven. Okay, let's go. Now the chicken. Now that the chicken wings are done, now you can hear them sizzling.
What do you think? They look pretty good?
Yes, but they're really burnt.
They're not burnt. They're called charred.
Charred? What is charred?
That's where they have that nice crispiness.
Oh. So if I go, it's gonna go. And this is the last one.
So now you got them in your bowl?
That was really hard. So now we got the barbecue sauce. So now we got the barbecue sauce. There's a lot of barbecue sauce in here. Now we're going to put some barbecue sauce in. Now that it's all stirred up, and I mean all of them stirred up, now we're going to go to the next thing. So now we have to put the veggies onto this. So we have to put the asparagus onto this in the broccoli, onto that, okay? That's like a French portion.
Alright, so let's put the veggies onto the tray. Don't forget the asparagus.
I need some olive oil.
So what? You gotta speak.
Okay, so now we're gonna put some olive oil on here.
Okay. Not too much.
Said put it on everything.
So okay. Some black pepper.
Put some black pepper on here. Just not too much because you know what happened last time.
Well, that's with the salt. Pepper's good.
Oh yeah, okay, salt. Yeah, it was a little salty with the, yeah. We're gonna make it really peppery.
That's okay. He made up for it. He made a good, delicious chicken dinner.
We're gonna put some pepper supreme on there.
No, some salt.
Oh. What?
Salt.
Salt? Oh.
Himalayan salt. Be careful. It comes... Okay, you're doing like Mac now.
Hey, I'm not being like Mike.
Look at this. Look at this.
Okay, I'll make up for it. I'll make up for
Look.
it. Dude.
Look what you just did.
No, dude, stop it.
No. Seriously. Look
Mom.
what you
Just do the salt
That
tomorrow
is
until we
gross.
taste it.
No, okay, I'll. Dude, no, I want to do it. Dude.
I don't like a lot of salt, bud.
Okay, make this up, please.
Perfect.
Dang, man! That smells weird.
It's garlic.
Yeah, that can burn my.
You gotta be careful with that one too. Look, again. Oh man, you're so fired.
No, I'm not fired at any job. You're fired from being the cameraman. Camera lady. You're fired. So can't do any videos now. You're fired. You know that?
Alright. Now,
Now it's time to put it in the oven. And also we're gonna have, oh, what is it called? What the heck is, oh, there you go. Tocitos, whatever these things are called, chippies. What should be good with this chips? Oh, that's a really good idea. That's a really very good idea. We should use this. It's a very good idea. Very good idea.
alright, your dinner's all done.
Oh yeah, I'm trying. Don't be kidding me. I'm trying this one first. Finger licking good. So good. So good.
Mac, try one of the chips first, bud. With the dip.
Thank you. So good. I'm gonna take a whole chip.
Try it, Mac. Do you like it?
It's so good.
Alright. You guys are like feasting on your chips there. Alright.
Okay.
Try
Chicken?
oh, yum.
Do you want some?
Sure. Yum, yum. Yeah, try your chicken.
I cannot stand the chips.
So good.
It's like burning my tongue.
Aw. Try your chicken.
It's a little spicy.
Just watch the bones.
I have a. Oh.
That was none. That was none.
So you like your chicken?
I'm
Oh,
gonna
you're
try
trying
my
the chips
chicken.
again? Good job.
Try my chicken.
You can also mix it, baby. There's like, it's a 7-layer dip. So you can mix it so it's not so spicy wherever
So
you think it's
I'm
spicy.
gonna try the chicken now. If I can grab any. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Here we go.
Try your chicken, bud.
Try chicken.
Nothing happened.
So good. Let's try the broccoli. I can hear that crunch.
Never.
Try your broccoli, dude.
Dude, so bad. I can do.
You like it? Is it good?
I only like
Asparagus. I love asparagus.
Good boy. Asparagus is really good for you.
For what?
For what? It's just really good for
I eat
you.
all this.
Okay, just be careful. Because sometimes
I'm
it's a
a
little...
bird.
I know.
I'm a
Sometimes it's a little stringy, though. Careful.
I'm a bird.
Gracie. Yeah, you are.
I'm an eagle.
Mama!
What?
I'm a bird. Do you know why?
Why? You got a worm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom, don't say that.
But it is.
Okay, yeah. Wormy.
Careful, careful. I don't want you to choke on it.
Now I was thinking of eating
But
a
the
worm.
ants eat people food.
Ants eat whatever, buddy.
They eat boobies.
Now,
Why don't you put that in your mouth instead of spinning
now
it,
I
bud?
think I'm eating worms, Mom. Why do you have to say that? So mean. So
Good chicken.
You like the wings?
thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Hit the
What,
bell.
baby?
What's your favorite one? Chips, chicken, or what is this called?
Asparagus,
Asparagus?
or broccoli.
Lettuce or broccoli?
You want?
You tell us in the comments what one is your favorite. Okay?
All right.
So hope thanks for watching. And if you're even new to this channel, subscribe. And if you're like not even new to the channel, subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thumbs up and comment what you want us to do in the next video. And we'll see you later. Bye.
I'm going to pray. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.